Yes, my name is Atenko Sibiela. Sentse go dumedisa kae kapa kae ho lela ho fiko kwa tswa shebeletse video ena o le hona teng. So re fuwe statement sa rona se re BE is equals to EA. So EF is parallel to AC. Ba re AC is perpendicular to DB. So tlo re lo sheba di question hore di reng. So question number 1 re determine gradient of AC. So re na le coordinate tsa rona tsa A le tsa C. So tle re determining gradient ya rona. Bona coordinate tsa A x e lekana le 6, y e lekana le 5, tsa C x e lekana le 3, y e lekana le -7. So we're determining gradient ya rona ke 4.1. So formula to calculate a gradient is y at 2 minus y at 1 all over x at 2 minus x at 1. In this case, enter 5 4 it will 5 minus -7. X at 2 is 6 minus x at 1 is 3. So gradient ya rona it will lekana le 4. So let's go to the next question, 4.2. Question 4.2 re determine equation of AC in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So re na le coordinate tsa rona tsa re fumane gradient ya rona ya AC. So re ka sheba for re ka sebedisa coordinate tse feng. Re ka nna ra sebedisa coordinate tsa C kapa re ka nna ra sebedisa coordinate tsa A cause di robetse mo AC. Re tlo nna le y minus y at 1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus x at 1. So re tlo sheba re nka coordinate tse feng. Tlo re nke tsa C. Re itse coordinate tsa C ke 3 le -7. So re tlo nna le y minus -7 is equals to gradient ya rona re kreile le 4 multiplied by x minus 3. So re tlo re 4 multiplied by x it will nna 4x, 4 multiplied by 3 -12. So the reason why I create +7 ke negative multiplied by negative, so it will nna +7. So re tlo nna le y is equals to 4x plus minus, sorry, it will nna y 4x minus 19. Flooring question number 4.3. Question 4.3 recalculate length of EC. So re na le coordinate tsa rona tsa C e leng 3 le -7, e ke 1 le 2. So tlo re batleng length. Formula to calculate length ke EC is equals to x at 2 minus x at 1 bracket to the power of 2 plus y at 2 minus y at 1 bracket to the power of 2 all over root. So EC is equals to 3 minus 1 close bracket to the power of 2 plus y at 2 get negative 7 minus y at 1 get 2 to the power of 2 all over root. So EC is equals to 85 all over root. So re ka ha ba sa bolella for e ngole in set form ka nna ngola in decimal form. So ha re ngola in decimal form e tlo nna EC is equals to 9,215 centimeter kapo millimeter. Bana sa ra bolella re be in what. So let's go to 4.4. So 4.4. So question 4.4 calculate equation ya EF. So in this case EF is parallel to AC. So ga tseba if line tse pedi di le parallel, gradient ya teng da tshwana. So gradient ya mona ne re kreile ele 4 ya AC. So le ka mona gradient e tlo lekana le 4. So re tlo sebedisa coordinate tsa E cause ke tsona fela tse re na leng tsona. If ne re hona le tsa F ne re tlo sebedisa tsa F cause ke line e robetseng ke re uthile re batle ntho equation ya line F in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So ke ena gradient ya rona re kreile le 4 akere. So re tlo nka coordinate tsa E. So it tlo nna y minus 2 is equals to 4 close bracket x plus minus 1. So re tlo go 4 multiply by x it tlo nna 4x. 4 multiply by negative 1 ke negative 4 is equals to y minus 2. So re tlo transpose this 2. So it tlo nna y is equals to 4x minus 2. So re tlotile ka 4.4 re ya go 4.5. Question number 4.5 ba re calculate coordinate tsa B. So in this case ra bona for BE e lekana le EA. So ntho e re bolella for ke midpoint E. So re tlo sebedisa coordinate tse tsa E ho fumana tsa E ho fumana tsa B. So ra tseba for E ke midpoint ya rona cause ba re bolelletse for E lekana BE e lekana le EA. Re tlo batla coordinate tsa x pele. So re tlo nna le 1 is equals to 6 plus x divided by 2. So re tlo multiply ka 2 both sides. So 2 ena tlo cancelana le 2a. So ka mona ka left re tlo sala ka 2 is equals to 6 plus x. So re tlo transpose 6 ena. So it tlo nna 2 minus 6 is equals to x. X is equals to negative 4. Ntho re entseng ho fumana x re tlo e etsa ho fumana y coordinate. So re tlo nna le 2 is equals to 5 plus y all over 2. So re tlo multiply both sides ka 2. So ka mo left re tlo nna le 4 is equals to 5 plus y. So re tlo transpose 5 ya rona. So re tlo nna le y is equals to negative 1. So coordinate tsa B re tlo nna le negative 4 le negative 1. So tlo re fetele ho question 4.6. So se re di fumane coordinate tsa rona tsa B ke negative 4 le negative 1. So ba re calculate equation of B D. So ba re bolelletse for BD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, if you multiply a gradient ya AC le ya BD, it will refa negative 1. So re tlo qala re batla gradient pele ya BD. So that re kgone o calculator. So that re kgone o calculator re kgone ho ngola equation ya BD in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So ne re se re fumane gradient ya AC. So re fumane ele 4. So re batlana le ya BD multiply by BD is equals to negative 1. Remember ke tse gradient ha di line ha AC ele perpendicular to BD, gradient ya teng ha o di multiply ele kana le negative 1. So re tlo divide both side ka 4. So gradient ya rona ya BD e tlo lekana le negative 1/4. Fumane hore gradient ya BD ke bokae. So re tlo batla equation ya BD in form of y mx plus c. So se re na le gradient ya rona, re na le coordinate tsa rona tsa B tse leng negative 4 le negative 1. So y minus negative 1 is equals to gradient ya rona ya BD e lekanang le negative 1/4 multiplied by x minus x at 1. X at 1 ke re kreile ele negative 4. So re tlo ke ngole ele negative 4. So re tlo ba le y plus 1 is equals to negative 1 multiplied by x. Negative 1 multiplied by x. Negative 1/4 multiplied by x. So be re negative 1/4 multiplied by 4. It will positive 4. Positive 1. So re tlo transpose negative 1 re isa ka kwana. So re tlo nna le y is equals to 1/4 x plus minus 2. So re fumane equation ya rona ya BD in form of y multiplied by x plus c. So question 4.7 ba re determine coordinate tsa D ke ena mo. So re na le equation ya AC, re na le equation ya BD. So re ka solve simultaneous cause re ka solve simultaneous. So that re kgone ho create coordinate tsa D le tsa y, cause ha ba re bolella for ke midpoint kapa ke eng, ba re bolelletse fela hore re calculate coordinate tsa D. Question ke one of the high order questions. So ena e batla o tsebe algebra. So ya re bontsha for algebra e dlala a big part in mathematics. Ke yona biggest branch in mathematics. So if o sa tsebe algebra, so e tlo nna mathata ka wena. So tlo re nke equation of AC le equation of BD. So this is our equation 1. So equation 2 is now y is equals to 4x minus 19. So ke equation 2a. So re ka sheba na re ka etsa elimination kapo re ka etsa eng. So nna nou yana ke prefera elimination. Kapo o ka nka this equation mo bonang y o bo kenya this equation, kapo re sebedise elimination. Tlo re sebedise elimination. So ra bona ka mo lefteng y minus y e tlo nna 0. So negative 1 all over 4 x minus 4x e tlo re nea bokae? E tlo re nea 17 all over 4x e negative. So negative 2 minus negative 19 e tlo re nea bokae? So it will nna negative 2 minus negative 19. So 0 is equals to 17 all over 4x. It will nna negative 2 minus negative 19 it will nna positive 17. So re tlo transpose 17 re isa ka kwa. So mona ke negative, so it will nna negative 17 is equals to 17 all over 4x. So re tlo divide both sides ka negative 17 all over 4. So ena tlo cancelana le e. So x e tlo lekana le 4. So se re fumane x. So mo re bonang mo equationeng ya rona mo re bonang x re tlo substitute 4. So re tlo nna le y is equals to 4 multiplied by 4 minus 19. So 4 multiplied by 4 e re nea bokae? 4 multiplied by 4 e re nea 16 minus 19. So 16 minus 19 ke bokae? Ke negative 3. So re solvile x and y. So tlo re sebediseng another method to calculate this thing. Re shebe na di coordinate tsa d ntse le tsona tse. So re fumane d e le positive 4 y e le negative 3. So o bontsha for right ka tseba for ka mo from here to kwana. So the x di positive from here to from mona ho ya tlase kaofela di y di negative, but ka mo ho ya kwa x di negative. So from here ho ya kwana hodimo kwana ra tseba for di y di positive, but ka mona ka tlase di y di negative. So ya bontsha for ntho re entseng e right. So coordinate tsa rona tsa d ke 4 le negative 3.